How to connect Google Analytics to Shopify app. To connect Google Analytics to your Shopify store using the Shopify mobile app, start by opening the app and tapping the Store tab. Then, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Preferences or Data Settings depending on your version. Under the Google Analytics section, you'll see a field where you can paste your Google Analytics measurement ID. To get this ID, log into your Google Analytics account through a web browser. Create a new property if needed, and copy the measurement ID that starts with G. Once you have it, go back to the Shopify app and paste it into the Google Analytics field. Make sure to tap Save to apply the changes. It may take a few hours for data to appear in your Google Analytics dashboard. This setup allows you to track store traffic, customer behavior, and marketing performance, giving you valuable sites to optimize your business all from your mobile device. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.